This is the Simmons 1161 pitcher pump assembly. It's going to include the threaded plunger rod. Right here, as you can see, this big long metal rod is just going to thread in or out. Just standard thread, right to tighten, left to loosen. Also have the leather cup and the yoke nut assembly. You can see that little cone portion in there. We'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each piece with this part. Starting with that plunger rod, we'll go from the bottom of those threads to the top. See, right there at the top of the bend, it's going to measure just shy of 6 inches. And we'll measure the complete assembly from the very bottom of that foot to the very top of the rod. It's going to look to measure right at about 9.5 inches, maybe just a little below. We'll also get an outer diameter here at the base. We'll measure right at about 2 3/4 inches, and then with an inner diameter right at about 1.5 inches. And once again, this is the Simmons 1161 pitcher pump assembly.